Muciĩ kwa Gavana John Nyangarama kaunti-inĩ ya Nyamira nĩkuo andũ a muciĩ, arata, atongoria na ateti magomanire kumugĩra ũhoro thutha wake gũkuĩra thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi mũthenya wa ĩtano kiumia kĩhĩtũku. Ona gũtuĩka riuma igongona rĩ ihoru na maithori, atiga gĩkeno ngoro-inĩ cia famĩlĩ yake kumana na motaro na wendo ũrĩa amonetie.
And to Daddy, we love you so much and we can't express how much you meant to us. And Mommy, remember this, be strong and of good courage. You got this and you can do it. God bless you. God bless Kenya.
I know the shoe that you left me as your elder son is far too big and too hot. But I'll soldier on until it fits and it schools.
Agicakaya hamwe na famĩlĩ na mũingĩ wa Nyamira, President Uhuru Kenyatta aririkanĩte mũtigairĩ ta mũtongoria ũtarendete ngarari na ndarahurũkaga nginya atigĩrĩre thayũ nĩ wagacĩra. Ndũmĩrĩri yake ĩthometwo nĩ Minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i.
Governor Nyangarama was a self-made man. He was a determined and focused leader who always worked to provide solutions to daily life challenges. He cherished peace, accommodating everyone, even those whom he couldn't agree with. Governor Nyangarama was always a leader who had a way of reaching out even to his opponents.
Mimi nimepoteza rafiki and a comrade in arms. Obiero Nyangarama anapenda mambo mazuri. Tena anapenda elimu. Anapenda kilimo. Amejaribu bila anavyoweza. Sasa tunasema tumempoteza, hiyo yote ni ya Mwenyezi Mungu.
Alikuwa mtu ambaye alimheshimu Mwenyezi Mungu. Ndio kwa sababu wakati tukiwa na baraza letu na magavana, yeye ndiye alikuwa anatuombea. Anaomba tukianza na anaomba tukimaliza. Hata kama nyinyi mumempoteza, na sisi kama magavana tumempoteza kabisa.
Amos Nyaribo ũrĩa ũrarĩ mũnini wa Nyangarama rĩu nĩwe kuoya ũtongoria wa kaunti-inĩ ya Nyamira, na ma-MCA na ateti a Nyamira hamwe na thirikari nene yugĩte nĩ kũmũteithĩrĩria gũtwarithia na mbere ũtongoria wa Governor Nyangarama.
On behalf of the Ministry of Devolution, we want to assure you that we will work with you as you come in. We had many plans, many things we are doing with the governor who is lying here today, and the same friendship and support we accorded him as a ministry, as national government, we will extend it to you as you walk the journey of completion of the good works that he started.
Governor ũyũ arakuire arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 74.